I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today we are doing a room tour of the 1-bedroom villa at the Villas at Grand Floridian. So we're so excited. This has been on our bucket list for a long time, and we can't wait to show you around. We started this in the room because we didn't want to wear the masks to show you guys as we would have in the hallway. But I will tell you one thing about the hallway is that signature Grand Floridian scent is all the way up to our door, which was kind of cool. So this is kind of entryway. We just kind of put our luggage here for a moment. All right, let's start with the kitchen. I love this. This is an elegant little bar area. Nice deep shelves. Ice bucket. You got your drawers. Now this is where it's kind of interesting. Okay, what's really different about this is compared to most DVC rooms, off to the side is the kitchen trash and it rolls out and just kind of tucks away. You have this big, beautiful kitchen. Not that I plan to use it much. You get your wine glasses. Of course, your cleaning supplies. Dishes. Glasses.
And cookware.
Cookware. You have your normal assortment of Joffrey's coffee and Twinings tea, but I like it. Looks a little bit more elegant here. Still the Mr. Coffee maker. All right, you got your big microwave. Good for reheating things in the morning.
Some Tupperware.
More Tupperware and prep. And of course, most importantly, you've got your coffee mugs.
Most importantly, it is the important thing.
It is. You need the coffee mugs.
And down below.
Okay, down below, your silverware. And let's see. Oh, they have a second trash. Okay.
Okay.
So there's 2 trash cans in here. That's kind of nice.
Full-size oven.
Yeah, you could have a Thanksgiving dinner in here, or Easter dinner, or what. All right, down here you've got a cutting board and a pitcher. Is that like a baseball pitcher?
No.
Your cooking prep. Oh. Nope, towels.
You see that's happening in time.
Towels, hot pots, and your pots and pans.
So are you gonna be cooking all this trip?
That's a solid no. And of course, your usual under the sink. It's a cute little sink too.
Interesting, they had give you cook because of the cooktop.
They give you a. I've never seen this in a DVC room.
They give you a because of the glass, the type of cooktop it is.
Yeah, interesting.
Interesting.
All
Okay.
right.
And of course.
Oh yes, dishwasher. It kind of blends in, which is kind of nice into the cabinetry. Nothing special.
But it's cool. It blends it. And then you do have a full-size fridge.
We haven't put anything in our fridge yet. Woo!
Wow.
It's big.
And freezer.
And they've got these pull-out freezers. Oh, it's massive.
This is a huge fridge.
Yeah.
I like to have this at our house.
Right? So then, of course, we have our dining area. This is really nice, a little nook. And right behind that, I might see a little hidden Mickey.
Well, not little.
Okay, it's a big hidden Mickey. But that's really cool. I love it. And it's Dumbo themed. Okay, next up, we're going to come on over to the living room and take a look. This is kind of interesting. Oh, this is locked. That's weird. But it's got a Blu-ray player.
And a standalone HDMI cable so you can plug things in without having to route everything behind the TV.
Yeah. And then, of course, you have your huge pull-down bed. Interesting. It's it looks like a Mary Poppins themed. Mary Poppins themed. That's beautiful.
And again, like I've said in past videos, these are large enough that I can lay down and I'm about a little over 6'2".
So yeah, Brad's came and laid on these before just to take a quick nap in the afternoon. Okay, this is the rest of the living room. This is what's interesting about here, is these pop up. So you got extra storage and seating. I got 2 of these little pop-ups. There's actually drawers right here for the living room, so that's kind of cool. And then, of course, you have your storage, just 3 normal drawers. And look how awesome that Mickey and Minnie artwork is. That is so cute. I like it. I want some of those for home.
Looks like Duffy.
Oh, it is a Duffy in there. Good eyes.
And of course you got the pull-out couch.
Yes, we'll get to that, and so you can see how much.
So I'll show it to you now, just like that.
It's amazing. So you guys can see what it looks like with both beds out. It still has a really decent walkway without tripping with 2 beds out. So that's really nice.
And we're back again.
All right, that was quick, huh? Okay, so now we have seating here, but there's also some little, this is a deep drawer, just a single drawer, but it's really kind of deep. Put some stuff in. And under there, there's some storage.
Another chair.
Okay, this couch looks comfy to sit on, but really it's not. It's not as comfy as it looks. But it's okay. We don't spend a lot of time in our room when we're at Disney. We're gonna go into the bedroom, which is amazing. Nice chair, comfy table. I like they have like these vaulted ceilings. It makes it look bigger and airy. And then of course you have these little drawers here. This is a really nice deep drawer. Okay, and you got your desk, which is really great. AKA usually like where I like to do my makeup and stuff. And then on the other side, they have another big set of drawers. There's drawers everywhere. You got your Bible. Okay. Now we're going into such a cool closet. It's a huge walk-in closet. It comes with extra blankets, and I like how they have the zip ties up here so you know if they're clean or dirty. So that's always kind of a peace of mind.
Of course, it's safe.
And of course, it's safe. And then we've got these lovely bathrooms. Next on, oh wait, real quick, at the desk, that Mary Poppins artwork is really amazing. One thing I've noticed in this room is there's no USB ports in here.
I was just gonna say that there is nothing in here.
Yeah, there's hardly any plugins in this room.
There's plugins.
I said hardly.
Hardly, but there's, yeah.
Yeah, it's not like some of the newer
It's
rooms.
not like the Polly or Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, so this definitely doesn't have a lot of plugins. Okay, so the crowning jewel, the bathroom.
Is this like a bubbling tub?
Yeah, I'll take a dip and I'll tell you guys later.
Oh, so you can see the little...
Yeah, where they bubble up.
Okay. That's cool. Oh, and there's the
then-
controls.
And then they have, of course, the individual.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys. I know you can see us in the shop, but there's a TV in the mirror. How amazing is that? That is so cool. And one of the things about the Grand Floridian, there's a basin here so you can get your bath products, have a nice soak, and watch the Disney TV. What I love about Disney is they have tons of storage space to get ready. And you got your hair dryer. All right, let's take. Okay, wow. The shower is massive. My gosh. You got a rain shower, handheld shower. You got this little bench. This is almost like a steam room. And then of course, the individualized products. No pumps here. And then once again in the bathroom, you have tons of storage. All under there.
Just in case you wanted to know, yeah, the toilet's right there.
And then of course course, turn around so you can see like how the bathroom connects in a weird, different way.
We'll do a quick 360 room view of this main bath area.
It is so cool. I have big dreams of basin.
Okay.
Okay, and of course, without DVC, you get, as for 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, or above, you get a washer and dryer, which is always handy.
And of course an ironing board.
But you can still hang stuff in here.
That's it.
And this does nothing for us.
Oh, the power goes out.
But, oh, we've got the view. So when we get to this balcony, look at this. They have child protective locks. So this is great. Maybe.
Cam protective.
Okay, you really have to give that a good pull. And this is our balcony. Look how huge this is.
Now the view.
And the view is amazing. I keep hoping, before I saw a monorail go by where we could see from our room, so we'll see if we can see that in a few. But it's just gorgeous here. So tomorrow we'll let you know what the beds were like, if they were comfortable. So we'll check back into you right after this. So if you're finding this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana.
So it's been a quick second for you guys, but it's been 6 days for us.
So we really enjoyed our time here at the Villa's Grand Floridian.
Yeah, really the room is beautiful. There's a ton of space, which is great. And this is one of our pros is that even with the beds folded out, and which we didn't have, but just walking around, you had a ton of room to move around.
Well, we just checked out the space, like we put out the beds to show you guys. And so that could be really comfortable for a family of 5 in here.
Yes. Now, there are a few things that are negative here. One is for me, I like having USB ports everywhere to charge things. And unfortunately, there's just not a whole lot of them there. And then I find the plugs where they're located in the room just not quite convenient.
So that was kind of one of the drawbacks. I really didn't find too many drawbacks. I really like it. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
Our bed has been super comfortable.
Yes, and so the only other drawback we agreed on is that the DVC rooms are a little bit of ways away from the soda fountain areas and all that.
Over at Gasparilla's Grill, we wish they would have done something along the lines of like Copper Creek, where they had Territory Lounge and they had some the refillable drinks, so that you could get them a little bit closer. Because we tend to walk over there every night and get a soda before we came back, or something to drink.
And then the buses are a little bit of a walk as well. So just something to be aware of.
It's not bad. It's nothing that would deter me from staying here again.
No, it's a beautiful room. We loved it. I think the only other issue we would have is just the amount of points for the room. It's a little high.
It is high, especially because we're in the park so much and we are not really pool people.
Yeah.
We're from Southern California, so there's pools everywhere. So to go on vacation, go on a pool isn't our cup of tea necessarily. So we kind of like to be out of the room a lot. So that's just maybe a geographical thing a little bit.
We're gonna break in because we forgot a couple, 2 small things real quick when we're going through our room and doing something. We've had a weird situation, and I don't know if this is every room, so please comment down below if it is, if you've stayed at the Grand Floridian. And both of them deal with the tub. One, the tub at 9:58 every night.
Just like a self-cleaning.
Like a cycle. You can hear it going, boom, and everything run. It's really weird. So that's something to be aware of, because I can understand if you had kids and there sounds them up. Yeah. The second thing is talking about kids and the tub. Is that tub?
It's really high up, so it would be like uncomfortable. You know, some of us parents, when we go to wash our kids, we sit on the edge of the tub and kind of reach down. It would be really kind of uncomfortable to do that.
I would say it'd be really hard, even for me with my height, everything and length. It'd be hard to do it. So you'd be almost having to have your kids go into the shower, and if they don't like showers.
Or too little. Yeah, and there's also the faucets, the way they hang down might be a problem with the little heads.
Yeah. So if you have little ones, this may not be the room for you. At this time, you may want to find something that has a regular sized tub.
But that's just, of course, our observation, our opinion, so...
So we'll go back to the rest of the video now. So the most important part of any room is the bed.
I was really comfortable. It's soft, it's pillowy, not too hard. I hate hard beds, so.
Yeah, and I'm kind of a little bit different because I like a little bit harder bed. And I felt it was firm, it's fine. Perfectly fine.
We've been sleeping well, so.
So overall, it is a great room. If you get a chance to stay at the Grand Floridian, definitely stay here.
Yeah, so we got to check that one off our bucket list.
So with that, I think it's time for us to say goodbye and
Find your magic. Bye, everyone.